Hello friends, welcome once again to our channel. All right, so how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. All right, so guys, today we're excited because something is happening in crypto space and a lot of hard rebouncing is coming up. Okay, so today we've decided to take a look on Doge coin. Okay, so if you have been panicking, I saw many guys that have bought Doge, all right, the 50 cents, and now they're trying to like sell at 30 or 40. So please, before you sell your Doge coin, please kindly watch this video before you said that. All right, so guys, if not subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe, and we're going to show you the next phase of Doge coin and what you should be paying attention to, how the market is likely to unveil in the next coming week. All right, so let's dive into the chart, guys. This is weekly chart of Dogecoin. You can see that this market has been, going very aggressive, correcting itself and going and correcting. So we are just on the corrective side on the weekly chart, which is not showing up much data. All right, so if you go to the daily for us to see more data, now I think we'll spend more time here. Okay, so now what do you see from this chart currently? Now it's obvious that the market has done 1, 2, 3, okay, and now it's going down, and you can see clearly that this retracement has also given us what? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now if there's something you should take away from this video today is that we trade a breakout. Okay, so what do I mean? That after an impulse, market corrects itself and make another impulse. So the problem is always how this correction will look like. Most times it's not easy to identify. Okay, most times it's not easy to identify, and it can be confusing. There's a lot of like 13 patterns that might form in between this correction phase. All right, so now we can see that there is an impulse here, there is a correction here, there is an impulse here. So in a nutshell, this is a standard, it can be a standard complete correction if it's going to remain this simple correction, if not going for the complex one. So if you go down to 4 hours from here now, you can see clearly that Doge has made one. We have this kind of running flat, you make another 2. Okay, so we can see this very hard rebounds. Okay, this thing is telling us something, that the market is about to reverse. But now look at what is forming here. Okay, so how do we trade from here? So let me bring out this our channel trend so you can see clearly how the market is developing. So clearly the correction is completed. Okay, the correction is completed. So 2 things that can happen. There might be a second retest of this, making it what? Double bottom. There might be a second retest of this, making it double bottom. That's, I think, the testing this might be the last phase, but likely there might also be a breakout of this. Okay, so there might be a retest of this, and there can also be a breakout from this, because you can see that from this channel here now, the market is broken here, and also you can see clearly it's broken. It's not a fake out. Here was a fake out, here was a fake out. We can see clear it's broken here, it's broken here. So what does it tell us here now? If you go down to 1 hour, let's go down to 1 hour, guys. Then we can see clearly what we might take from here. Now, you see the way the market is going down on 1 hour might be a little bit confusing, and just bear in mind that anytime you see market going like this kind of structure, what it tells you that there might be a breakout here coming very soon. So the critical points that you need to pay attention is this point, guys. Okay, this point here, guys. Just pay attention to what happens here. Okay, so I think I personally will place a trade at the breakout of this, because if it's breaking out, I shouldn't be left behind. Okay, because this might happen. Okay, this might happen. Also, something like this might also happen, okay, before coming up. So how deep this one's gonna go, nobody knows. All right, so you might do like A, B, C before actually breaking out, but that breakout will definitely occur. So if it's trying to like give us the next phase of this correction, let me take this fib, that might be like reaching to this point of 227,027. Okay, so that is still healthy. Okay, it's still healthy. So because breaking out from here will kind of give us a contracting flat. Breaking out from here will kind of give us a regular flat. So there are many ways this flat can complete before it breaks out. So either it breaks out from here or it break out from here. So but just be observant, because it's already shorting this Doge at this time is very dangerous. It's very dangerous because we can see that the phase, the main corrective structure is completed. So we are just at this dying minute, kind of the last phase. So and you can see that this channel is already broken out, and what we are just seeing is for this wave to be completed and before we go. Okay, so that's it. That's how the market might play out. So in another way, something like this might happen also, coming like this, okay, coming like this. And if you make something like this, okay, you can decide to come down more before going. But there are many varieties on how this thing can play out. But just guys, for you not to miss out on this, just follow the market as it develops, guys. Follow the market as it develops. That's why I said breaking out from here would be the best thing to do. So as the market keep going deep, keep following the market like this, and as it goes this place, then you're joining the trade, guys. Okay, so that is on Doge coin. You know, I strongly believe in Doge, that Doge will go way beyond this current price. So but now this breakout, how high can it go? Now to also answer that question clearly, if you go to daily, you can see it for yourself that this might be the beginning of a new phase. Okay, because if you take a look from here now, you can see that if this is a trend, which is likely, yeah, it's a value trend. This line is a value trend. Okay, if this is a value, don't mind my line. Okay, it's a value trend. Then this might be the beginning of a new phase, a new trend. Okay, so this might go like this, it comes up like this, and it comes down like this before it goes. So that's the way it can play out. So in a nutshell, what we'll be expecting is the second wave of this. So the second wave that will happen here will determine exactly if this is breaking out here, very good. But if it goes three ways like this, then we'll be expecting next wave down before the next wave comes up. So but in a nutshell, I don't think that Doge bull season is over. Okay, but it might take a lot of time before completing this phase. Okay, it might take a lot of time before completing this phase, guys. So that's why you just need to pay attention. Let's trade what you see currently now, and as the market finish this phase, then we can dive into the next phase. All right, but the most important part of this all is that there is a trade coming here, which we don't know how deep it's going to go. Don't miss this trade, and for you to be part of this trade, you just need to position yourself at the breakout of this, because the corrective phase is already over, guys. All right, so that's how we check this stuff. So now we're expecting the market to reverse. Okay, so position yourself here and as to wait for that to happen. All right, guys, so this is where we're drawing the curtain for today. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, don't forget to like this video, and if there is any coin you're interested in, you want us to analyze for you, kindly reach out to us. Now before I conclude on this, yesterday we're here on Bitcoin. Okay, we're here on Bitcoin. Okay, that was here. So we expected this to break this. It gave us a shallow retracement instead of breaking it down, and there we go. Okay, so currently if you take a look of Bitcoin from 1 hour, we'll be expecting Bitcoin to give us one more pull up like this, then before it drops. Okay, we're expecting one more up, okay, before it drops. So we're expecting one more up. So after this up, then we're expecting it to drop, then from there we can go up. All right, guys, so that is the quick analysis we have for today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, guys, and don't forget to like this video. All right, see you on the next video.